Hi, I'm Jyotika and today I'm going to talk about Agaro Storm 2000 watts dry vacuum cleaner. The Agaro Storm vacuum cleaner is perfect for cleaning. The powerful 2000 watt motor with strong 24 kps suction capacity helps in fast and thorough cleaning. The variable suction power settings of the vacuum cleaner allow choosing the suction capability as per the requirement. This vacuum cleaner comes with a hose pipe, telescopic metal tube, floor brush for cleaning floors, multi-purpose brush for cleaning upholstery and sofas, and the crevice nozzle for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. The 4 liters dust bag is perfect for thorough and continuous cleaning of large areas. The 360 front swivel wheel and the long power cord helps in easy movement during cleaning in any direction, and because of this compact design can be stored anywhere. This is Agaro Storm Dry Vacuum Cleaner, which is my perfect cleaning partner.
All of us like our homes to be clean and dust-free. But do you have the appliances which are efficient enough to do so? Well, don't worry, because American Micronic is here with its smart and efficient vacuum cleaner that will ensure that your house is as clean as you want it to be. Just like any other American Micronic appliance, even this vacuum cleaner is loaded with features, so let's take a look. Wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Whether it's dry or wet dirt, this vacuum cleaner is efficient to clean everything for you. It has a 1600 watt motor. This ensures that your device can run for a long time, giving you the best possible results and making your house super clean. 15-liter high volume drum. This appliance can carry large quantity of dust. Overheating protection. This feature ensures that the vacuum cleaner does not get heated when you're using it for an extended period of time, thus giving you the best possible results. This vacuum cleaner has a large wheel which makes it possible to carry it everywhere in your home. Now, even if you have a large house, you don't have to worry. High efficiency HEPA filter. This vacuum cleaner has a 99% efficiency rate of capturing particles as small as 2 microns. Along with the vacuum cleaner, you also get several accessories such as the water brush, the small round brush, the tube, nozzle, hose, and a filter bag. All these accessories play an important part in cleaning your home. In case you are looking to vacuum finer dust particles, you have to attach the filter bag. And in case you want to vacuum a wet area, then you have to use the appropriate accessories to vacuum the moisture out. Along with the vacuum cleaner, you also get a 1-year warranty card as well as a detailed instruction manual which will help you in operating this complex looking device very easily. So what are you waiting for? Get this device home right today and give it a neat and clean makeover.
Presenting the Philips PowerPro Compact Bagless Vacuum Cleaner in the color blue. With the 1900 watt motor, it generates strong suction power for fast, deep cleaning results. The Power Cyclone 5 technology accelerates air in the cyclonic chamber to separate out dust. Powerful swirling action maximizes airflow and performance for remarkable cleaning results. The fully sealed filtration system captures 99.9% of fine dust particles, including pollen, pet hair, and dust mites, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers and anyone demanding a higher level of hygiene. The rotating brush inside the nozzle actively removes small dust particles and pet hair, resulting in a better cleaning performance. The dust container is designed for hygienic removing and emptying with one hand, which helps minimize dust clouds. Inside the box, you will find the vacuum cleaner, accessories, user manual, and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery details, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.